hungry now. We haven't checked in yet. We're gonna go find something to eat here at the food court. It's like it's a Vegas vibe here. Ay,
What do you want to eat?
parang namang American dito. We're like in Las Vegas, Melody.
And this, but this indoor.
It's hard to choose. So many restaurants and we cannot choose where to eat. We end up eating here at Texas Roadhouse. We just had lunch and now we're here at the lobby. This is called Pearl Lobby. This is where we're gonna check in. Hopefully our room is ready. So this is another lobby. I don't know what you call what. Oh, this is a VIP lobby. This is so cute. This is the shops here in Okada. They're gonna show us the room right now. If we like it, then we're gonna stay there. 710 room. Knock knock.
Welcome to our room at Okada. Can be door. It's like the windows. Okay, this is like the foyer area. Starting to my left, we have the guest bathroom. I have
Wow.
I think a Japanese toilet. What do you call these? Little powder room. And then to my right, we have a massage room. So I'm sure you can call like a masseuse to come do like your little spa treatment.
So you can have your massage, mommy.
I'll see.
This is here.
I'll see.
And choose
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be the one using it.
And then there's a control
And
panel.
then this is the main area. There's a control panel for the.
It's like a living room?
Yeah, living room.
This is how you open it.
I don't really
Those are the
know how to use
control.
it.
This is how you
do
open it. Look at the thing. And
Nice.
then I can open the one behind that thing.
The shades and the drapes.
Are these free?
I think these are free.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then there's like a relax. What is this?
This is the light.
Oh, different light settings.
Yeah.
And then you can,
Brightness.
yeah. And this is our view.
So we have a view of the fireworks in it.
Fountain view. So it's opposite the bay. So the city is this way. And we were told there's going to be fireworks here because today is New Year's Eve. So
That's why we book here.
The fireworks, yeah.
And
And
bell.
also there's gonna be a concert
AC.
there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and the AC is nice. It's the ones that's like kind of integrated into the wall. And then we have the bedroom through these doors. Couch in here. There's food, but you have to pay for it. But there's Shin Ramen. This is the first hotel that I've seen that has Shin Ramen.
Yeah.
These
And
are the
there's
beds.
Sprinkles.
This is the bathroom. Nice and spacious.
Look how they closed it though.
We have the hair dryer here, then the toilet and the shower. The shower's pretty big, I would say.
Yeah.
And then
That's the toilet number 2.
yeah, toilet number 2 in this room. And then we have a jet tub.
And then you have a separate temperature control here. You notice it's warmer here?
I think because of the window.
No, it's 24 degrees right here.
Oh, so I guess you could control the temperature here, which is nice because I like it to be hot after my shower because I'm cold.
Yeah.
And
I
then
mean,
there's
I
also
like.
remote control.
This remind me of Cancun.
And
Yeah, we have a.
See, I'm doing
fireworks
the-
and soaking.
I'm doing
at
the
same
blind.
time. Oh. And there's one more room to show you. Straight ahead is the closet. I actually thought this is like a hidden room at first because when you come to the bedroom,
Does
you
it
don't
open?
notice.
Oh, it's like a wall
You're just
mirror.
like, oh, it's just a mirror.
Yeah, I thought
But
it's
then
like.
I saw it slightly askew, and then I was like, okay, this is the closet. Nice and cozy.
Walk-in closet.
Oh, and they have slippers, but it's male and female. So hopefully the female fits a lot better than the
How many is
generic
in there?
hotel
There
slippers.
should be 3. There's 3 of us. We can ask for one more
Yeah, we can
sleeper.
always just ask for more. And then they have like a tablet where you can control everything. I
Oh,
think
really?
they're finalizing our check-in. Oh, they just did it.
Yeah, because I see my name on the
So you
screen
can
already.
do
Right there.
the TV,
Welcome to Okada, Manila, Mr. G.
TV,
Oh.
watch YouTube, I think order room service if you want, do everything on the tablet. So yeah, that's our room.
Nice hotel.
I'm impressed.
Yes.
They didn't show more.
So,
The picture.
Melody.
did
Melody
not-
wanna extend.
I do want to extend
I can talk to them.
because we haven't had the best experiences with the Airbnbs. The reason why I haven't vlogged the past 2 days really is because I have this like sinus infection. I went to the clinic here. Also,
The clinic.
the clinic here is so good. You wouldn't expect it from like the tiny little
They have
like,
multiple. They have 2
space.
clinics.
Yeah, they have 2 clinics. They just asked me my symptoms and they were like, okay, take this and this. In case you have a headache, you take this. So they gave me medication and we didn't even have to pay for it. It was free.
It comes with a.
Like, can you believe that? And it was so quick. I was thinking, oh, maybe I have to go to the ER or the clinic
You have to wait.
outside of the hotel. But I just waited till we were here and I didn't have to wait. They just saw me right away. And it was amazing.
The clinic is in house.
Yeah.
And I was asking about the bill.
I know, my mom was asking, so how do we pay for this? We're so American.
And they said it's all part of the
Yeah.
it's inclusive.
And they said if I ever feel worse or feel different symptoms,
They can
I
come.
could call them and they could come up here and treat me here, which is so good.
Okay.
No wonder my deposit is 10K versus 5K.
We have food.
Mommy. Well, they have bread food.
I don't know what this is. We also have food. This is on the table.
Is that decoration or you can eat it?
No, you can eat it. It's like, what are those like?
Oh, that's like
breads, the fruit bread things.
it's a fruit bread for like I think New Year.
I know Italians have like the panettone thing. What is it? I don't know what it's called. Panettone.
Panettone. Nice. That's our room right here.
Thank you.
Exploring Okada. Ask where's the pool, Dad?
It's right there.
Right there. No, the
Yeah, pakalayo. Dito na.
this is Manila Bay, right, Mel? This is Manila Bay, Daddy? Dad.
Okay, so yeah.
Bakit nag-music na? This is their outdoor pool. I'm not sure if we can experience the indoor pool because there's an event tonight for the new year. Mga arcades dito, mga pambata. They have El Pollo Loco here. And then that way, puro restaurants na dyan. I'm not sure what's downstairs.
Tastes like the land of the free.
This is our dinner. What did you say? You miss hot dog? American hot dog?
I said it tastes like the land of the free.
Meron pa pala hamburger dito.
And the home of the brave.
In the home of the brave. Yeah, you see Miss
I heard
Hot
the
Dog.
anthem in my ear when I bit into it.
Because we went to Texas Roadhouse for lunch. And she ordered,
Watermelon
you ordered a, what's that? Is it like, did they say like American hot dog? They don't have available.
Onion ring.
So this is our dinner. We did room service today. We came here outside.
Dito may countdown. Oh, wala pa tao dito.
Bakit doon ang daming tao sa kabila?
Wala pa tao dito.
Countdown begins. Sobra ata yung ano. copyright. Happy New Year! Look at the fireworks here in Philippines.
Everywhere. And then you have
Oh, look at the
And then
airplane.
you have a silhouette with the plane going.
Oh, now there's more.
Oh,
Whoa!
that's why there's fireworks going now. Oh my god.
Ganda. You know where to close. It's hard to see. I have to like ano.
I think it's the banana.
Kailangan kong ano, liitan yung ano ko. Look at the reflection down there. Second day. We're gonna go breakfast. Sexy naman. So I said breakfast, but I guess it's lunch now. Look how much food we have.
I didn't realize it's that big serving.
Meron pang darating.
And then we have another quarter.
We are here now at the pool. We're gonna go swimming. Good thing it's not that hot. Well, Happy swimming already. That's Manila Bay. Just want to take a video of this view. That's Mall of Asia right there. And Conrad. Melody ordered some nachos. Where's my halo-halo?
Wala pa.
Sunset na.
Naula na, completely covered na ng cloud. Mamaya lalabas yan, pero ang daming cloud.
just came from the pool and now we are enjoying the jacuzzi here in our room. The fountain started again. So me and Mel are soaking here in the jacuzzi and this is our view. Your foot in. We have room service again for dinner. I ordered pinakbet this time. Okay. Although you got the frutti di mare. Oh, dessert. I don't know what's this. So we are here at the garden. Lakad-lakad kami ni Habi tapos nakita namin to. Tapos, tingnan nyo, ang daming palali, Kinakain namin to sa probinsya namin. Sinasawsaw namin sa bagoong. Ayan, daming bunga. Ang ganda pala dito sa labas. Okay, more arches. I think it's nice to take a picture here. It's nice today, Dad. It's not hot. Manila Bay. Oh wow, there's a lot of people swimming already. Melody is gonna ride the golf cart to the pool. Such a short ride. I'm just gonna walk. It's our last full day here and we decided to just spend a full day here at the pool. Nakakuha si Habi ng cabana. Hello.
Yeah, put lotion.
And it's a nice day today. Hindi mainit. Hindi mainit ano, Dad? Masarap mag-swimming. We got our food. They offer us some refreshing drinks. It's called the Okada Iced Tea. Let's try it. It's done. They gave us another refreshing drinks. This time it's, I think it's a lychee.
Yeah. May
Yeah.
lychee flavor, yeah.
It's a lychee, yeah.
With
Some
with chia.
kind of lychee and chia seeds. So this part right here is the dome. There's an indoor swimming pool inside, but unfortunately, there's so many events that we cannot even experience going inside.
Have to wet my hand.
We got our appetizers. Okay, show your miso soup. Oh, that is so cute. So tiny bowl.
I guess I can just hiccup it from here.
Yeah, that's how you do it. This is gyoza ice cream. Our dessert. We're here outside to watch the the fountain.
Oh yeah. Can we go there?
There's a party up there.
Is that public, open to public?
This is like an unobstructed view.
Ready to be picked up. We enjoyed our stay here at Okada. This is such a nice room. It's big. Let's see the view one more time.
Ano ba? Hindi ka mo ito papak. Okay, take it out.
Bye, Okada. See you again. We're definitely gonna come back here.